Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with exercise 4.4 from Practical Geometry 8th class ncert. Question is, construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral TRUE. Here is the given sides and angles. TR is equal to 3.5 centimeters, RU is equal to 3 centimeters, UVE is equal to 4 centimeters, angle R is equal to 75 centimeters, and finally angle U is equal to 120 degrees. Here is the given 3 sides and 2 angles. In previous cases we already learnt about the how 3 sides and 2 angles, those are included or adjacent sides are given. Then how to construct a quadrilateral I already shown you in a previous videos. See the description box for the link. And now let's move into this question. Before making a quadrilateral we have to make a rough sketch here, then we will get a better picture in a construction of a quadrilateral. So let's make a step 1 as take a base anything. So here we have angle R and angle U. So now take a base as RU, that is R, this is U, 3 centimeters, and take the protractor here, this is step 1, and protractor here 7.5 centimeters, sorry 75 degrees at angle R. So make a protractor, make the angle 75 degrees, and similarly angle U, this is step 2, that is 120 degrees. Okay, now we have TR at a 3.5 centimeters. So from R we have to make a arc. This is said to be T, that is with a 3.5 centimeters. This is step 3 and this is step 4. Similarly at U, UE as 4 centimeters. Make an arc with a 4 centimeters. Mark, join these two lines. This is E. TRUE quadrilateral is constructed here. Now let's move into the answer. Before going into the making steps, we have to write the given. So given TR is equal to 3.5 centimeters, RU is equal to 3 centimeters, UE is equal to 4 centimeters, and angle R is equal to 75 degrees, angle U is equal to 120 degrees. To construct a quadrilateral TRUE. So now step 1. Take base as RU is equal to 3 centimeters. Now take the base RU is 3 centimeters. Now take the help of a scale and R and U. This is R, this is U with 3 centimeters. Now step 2. Step 2. Take an angle. Take protractor L to make angle 75 degrees at point R. So take the help of a protractor. Make sure that the point should be at 90 degrees and line should be parallel to the 0 degrees line, and makes 75 degrees. This is 70 and this is 75, and make a line joining these 2 points. So this is angle 75 degrees. Similarly take another step also. So step 3. Make another angle 120 degrees at point C. So similarly take the protractor here and measure 120 degrees here. Now this is the line with the 120 degrees making at U. Take step 4 as RT. We have to construct here given. So make an arc with a 3.5 centimeters as TR from point R. So now take the help of scale and make. So here we have a 3.5 centimeters as point T. Now similarly construct here. So that is step 5. Step 5, that is make another arc with the UE from here to E here. So with UE 4 centimeters from point U. So now take the help of a compass and scale and make sure that that is 4 centimeters in length. So this is 4 centimeters. Now make a arc here and now put a point where they met and it is point as E. Now combine these two points where T and E happen. So this is E, UE with a 4 centimeters. Finally we get a quadrilateral here. This is about the construction of a quadrilateral with the given parameters. Those are 3 sides and 2 included angles. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.